Wait, how much value did I just add to my home? I know it sounds a little unbelievable, but since the pandemic, gardens have become an untapped source of property value for UK homeowners. Estate agents are saying a well-designed outdoor space can add anywhere from 5% to 20% to your home's worth, and that is huge. Often, you can do a lot of the work yourself to keep costs lower and increase your return on investment. Here's what actually works to make your home more appealing, often adding value at the same time. High-quality decking can add up to 10% value to your property, so that's about £25,000 on a £250,000 home for maybe a £5,000 investment. Compare that to the cost of an extension, for example, and it's almost sounding too good to be true. Outdoor cooking areas are having a moment too, with some seeing surprising impacts on property prices. But you don't need to spend a fortune. Simple privacy screening, a tidy patio area, and proper storage can all add up to present a usable outdoor space, which adds massive appeal for buyers. The key is creating well-structured zones that flow. Buyers want to see how they'll actually use the space. Research suggests that up to 70% of buyers are put off by scruffy gardens. Getting this right could be the difference between selling fast or sitting on the market for months. Start with the front. Clear the path, add 2 smart planters, and repaint the door in a classic color. Choose materials that thrive in British weather. Composite decking and high-quality tiles are low-maintenance winners. If space allows, off-street parking can add serious value where parking is limited, often far more than the installation cost. Storage cells. A solid, secure shed or bike storage keeps the garden clutter-free and buyer-friendly. Layer lighting. Solar path markers, wall lights, and warm string lights to extend practical and inviting evening use. Garden rooms are booming. Buyers love a ready-made office, gym, or studio in the garden. If you extend within permitted development and guidelines, you may not need planning permission, but be sure to check first. Insulation, heating, and neat electrics make it feel like a true extra room. Buyers will notice the extra quality and versatility this adds. Living fences are on trend. Green privacy that softens boundaries and adds a calm, private feel. Use slatted screens or trellis with climbers where space is tight. Privacy without feeling boxed in. In tiny plots, go vertical. Wall planters, narrow beds, and fold-away furniture keep it practical and pretty while keeping the area feeling open. Add a water butt and mulch, small eco-touches that also save on maintenance and water bills. A discreet compost area and wildlife-friendly planting score points with eco-conscious buyers that will go a long way. Think pollinators. Lavender by the path smells amazing and looks smart for viewings. On photo day, mow in stripes, edge the lawn, and hide bins and hoses out of sight. Pressure wash paths and patios. Instant brightness that reads beautifully on camera and shows that you really care about your home and garden. Stage the dining zone with a simple setting. Buyers imagine their first barbecue immediately. Make sure you give the barbecue a good scrub. Repaint tired fences and sheds in a modern, garden-friendly tone. Cheap and cheerful. Huge impact. Cut back anything blocking sunlight. Dark rooms inside can kill viewings and valuations. Avoid fussy decor. Keep it calm, cohesive, and low maintenance so buyers don't fear upkeep. Do these upgrades, sell faster, and pocket more. Your garden might just be your home's secret profit center. Subscribe for more UK home selling tips.